Just open the doors and I'll guide them all out. Hey, shh. It's okay. Oh, yeah.
Come on, guys. Get going. Move it. Hurry. Run. Fuck. I so don't want to do this, but there's a box of flares in here somewhere. Find it. It's shitty, but it'll spook them into leaving. I got it! Run! Harry. Gertie! Cat, please. Go. He's coming.
The herd!
Out of time. Let's go. Now. Cat, come on. I won't leave her behind. What do we do? What do we do? I see him. Gertie. I love you, but it's time to go. They'll hurt you if you stay. Why won't you just go? Go! Please! Shit!
Oh, God.
Run!
You stupid bitch!
See you in hell!
Not so fast. They're not getting away.
We did it!
Fucking catch you, bitches!
Run! The deer! Don't look back! Hurry! Oh! Swan! Got it. Come on!
Get back here!
Crap! Leave it! Don't stop! You still hear him? We're not in the clear yet. Stay quiet. Ow! Watch where you step and cut the light. He'll see. Guys, What are they doing?
Found you!
Move.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Thanks, Kurt. Almost there! Are you sure? Follow me. Inside! Hurry!
Oh my god. We fucking did it. Holy crap. We fucking did it.
Shh. What if he's still around?
I heard him.
What?
Psych.
He's not dumb enough to chase us through the woods after getting gored by a deer.
Yeah. That had to hurt.
Not again.
So, what now?
Cat?
Shit. Jeez.
I'm fine.
Come on. Rest.
Hey, Swan. Mind boarding things up? The windows and stuff?
I got it.
I'll start a fire for us. I don't want Corey to see the light if he's still out there.
Thanks, guys. I'm gonna miss this place. I can't imagine coming here without you guys.
I'll miss you more.
You're sweet. Oh, Cat. Hey, Swan. Could you get me a water?
Sure.
Thanks, Swan.
Hey, Noah. Thanks for always going along with my stupid ideas.
I'll always stick with you, Kat. Promise.
I know. Me too. Hey, Cat. I thought you might want this. Thanks. Sit here.
Sure.
You two on him.
Okay.
I love you guys. I know I asked you to do something totally crazy, but I'm not sorry I dragged you into it.
What a night. You have got to calm down.
Boo! It was so badass.
I was kind of freaked out.
Same.
I felt something weird tonight. Like, weird, but powerful. Like I could go into the abyss and absorb it somehow.
Me too. I feel like we can do anything.
No, we can't. You guys sound crazy.
Hello? Proof we just did. That's either dumb luck or...
Not luck. It's giving us power. Making us stronger.
I've been feeling weird too. Everything's been like a dream since we found this place.
Yeah. Sometimes I can't tell if I'm sleeping or awake.
Maybe we all need to wake up before we take this too far.
Come on, Autumn. Chill. I trust you guys with my life. You know that, right?
I trust you too.
I know. No one in my life has ever stood up for me. You guys just get me. And I know you'll always have my back.
I trust you too, Kat.
Thanks. This summer would have been nothing without you guys.
Seriously.
Come on. Let's finish locking up so we can have some fun.
I can lock the door.
Okay. Kat?
I'm fine, seriously.
That'll do it. Just gotta lock the door.
I got it.
All right.
Nice work, guys.
We're safe in here.
Or trapped.
Shut up.
Just kidding.
There's 4 symbols. One for each of us. We're the lock. Together we'll always be safe. So, pick one. Raven.
Sun.
Moon.
Moth.
And set. Raven. Sun. Moon. Moth. 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 Keep us safe.
Cat's got a fever.
It's so cold.
Shit. You're burning up.
Me too.
I hear you in there.
They're not gonna come out if you're screaming at them.
Shut up.
We're in here.
Autumn?
What the fuck? Autumn, open the door. Seriously, someone open it. She needs care.
Don't do it.
You're gonna fucking pay
No.
for what you
He's
did.
gonna go
You know
totally
what?
postal.
Kat! Are you okay?
Please, don't hate me.
Autumn.
You've been.
Don't.
Hey!
Kat?
Get out of here.
Stay away from her.
Nice place you got here. Thanks for letting me in.
Are you hurt? When are you going to learn?
I think these are yours. You know, I've seen your tapes. You're a sick little freak.
My camera.
And a criminal, too. It's mine now.
Let's get Kat out of here.
You chose the right side.
What?
Oh, didn't you know? Your friend Autumn's a very nice snitch.
Corey.
What are you talking about?
He warned us you were going to try something stupid.
Liar!
They're just trying to mess with our heads. No, Swan. I really did warn them. Why? I thought we need help. If Kat...
I can't believe it.
First things first. You all are gonna pay the piper.
What?
Eye for an eye!
Corey!
You gotta atone for your sins. All of them.
Calm down. Don't touch her.
Shut up.
Leave me alone.
Kat! Kat? Oh my god. Kat!
Stop being dramatic.
What the hell is wrong with you? Don't you see what state she's in?
It's her own damn fault. She burned my ranch still. She's got it coming.
Fuck you, asshole.
Where should we go? Home or the ER?
So,
The ER.
this was your little dyke hideout. Be a shame if anything happened to it. Justice hasn't been served yet. An eye for an eye.
No!
My God.
You wrecked my territory.
I didn't want this. You always destroy what you can't control. You'll never break us. You're
Cat!
weak.
We need to get out!
Not yet.
Oh, Corey! Don't! Stop!
Act like an animal. Treat like one.
Wait. What are you doing?
Listen up,
Get
stupid little cunts.
off.
I'm only gonna say this once. You will atone for what you did, and then you will submit to our wrath. There can be no mercy without penance. So I'm wrecking yours.
Corey?
It's gonna take more